Welcome back, continuing the news. Blood and mayhem on Harvey Road in St. Andrew this morning as gunmen went on a rampage, killing 3, including a teenager. The police theorize the killings are related to a gang feud in the area. But for residents, regardless of the motive, it's just too much. Residents of 2 miles off Walton Park Road in St. Andrew moving out on Wednesday, fearing for their lives. Others, too grief-stricken to stand after 3 of their loved ones, including a teenaged girl, were shot dead inside this house sometime after 3 o'clock Wednesday morning. The deceased have been identified as 16-year-old Hart student Jody Ann Deere, 20-year-old Tajay Dunbar, and 23-year-old Neville Lewis. Another female who was in the house at the time survived the shooting and was taken to hospital for treatment. Jody Ann's aunt, who says she's been the teen's guardian for years, now grief-stricken by what's happening in the community.
Well, right now, I feel upset over it, and brother. Trust me, because none of you them are dead. I innocent baby them. I baby them for me. And I love my niece, I love my family. So we really take place should never take place.
Most, including Member of Parliament Dr. Angela Brown-Burke, believe more police personnel are needed if blatant criminal activities like this one are to stop. Head of the St. Andrews South Police, Senior Superintendent Gary Francis, says the police are already acting on leads in the investigations.
This may have been carried out by conflicting gang feud in the area. And as a result of that, our investigators are on the scene, our operation teams are actually on the scene. And we have conducted a number of operations so far in respect to seeking to find the perpetrators.
We need to see the security forces on the ground. And persons are also complaining that sometimes when they come, even the police themselves who are trying are tired. So we need to make sure that a system is in place that allows police, security forces to be on the ground, but in a way that they can be most effective.
Right now, the crime needs to let go all crime. Because right now the crime are going on. I want to know if the people them want to do it or what take place. If them not understand, so them have pitney, them have niece, them have nephew, them have brother, them have family. Right now it get me scared. Because I know nobody a bad man. I know no family a bad man. So them shouldn't do my niece like that.
As the residents seek answers and justice, the police are seeking their assistance in finding the same.
The appeal to the citizens in this community that anything they know to share with us, that we will be able to solve this gruesome crime.